Hey, what is up, guys? Thanks for joining us. Welcome to week 9. What do you have here?
A thing.
Yeah, we're doing stamps today. We didn't have that big of a week this week. It's kind of a quick one. Check it out.
A quick one. Let's check it out.
Check it out.
Wow.
With who?
Me and you.
And who else?
And Mommy.
And our mom.
Pretty cool.
It was pretty cool, wasn't it? We made a video at Costco about our favorite tips, 5 things you can do at Costco to make your journey a little bit quicker. Right?
Thanks.
Oh, we got some Easter egg kits, right? To try out dyeing some Easter egg. What do we see? We saw a helicopter.
It's kind of choppy.
It was kind of like Chopper, right? What was it doing?
It's so choppy.
Yeah, it was just chopping, it was spinning. And then we had a concert for Sophia's animals. That was pretty fun, right? Yeah. We're all here. George, Peppa, Raggedy Ann, this bunny rabbit. Is that Peter Rabbit? You got a pretty famous crowd here today.
And Papa Pig.
Peppa Pig. And then it got nice out, so we got our bike out and we cruised the neighborhood, right?
Yeah. Then we got the
Kaleidoscope.
kaleidoscope.
Yeah, good job. And then look, we played outside. Remember we were having a fashion shoot with your hair and it was blowing in the wind?
And you got to go work.
Serge had to go to work.
How about build?
You had to build, that's right. After we went and got Cousin O a couple things for his bag, Sophia thought it was a good idea that we decorate his bag. We're gonna decorate Cousin O's bag. Our Cousin O's moving.
With pom-poms
Yeah, with pom-poms.
and googly eyes.
And googly eyes, yep. So what did we decorate the bag with? Pom-poms and googly eyes, of course.
And make it work.
And we went for a big walk.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Bye.
Thanks for joining us. That was week 9.
Bye. That week 9.
Like and subscribe. Shout out to our Cousin O. Hope you enjoy your new house. We love you, little buddy.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.